Have you ever stopped to ponder what exactly a relationship is? An intriguing query, isn't it? And quite a fundamental one at that, as it's something we all participate in, yet often struggle to define. Today we're embarking on a fascinating exploration of this very concept: relationships. Now, when we say relationships, we're not just talking about the romantic kind that first springs to mind. We're talking about the whole spectrum of human connections. From the deep bond you share with your family members, to the camaraderie with your closest pals, to the professional associations you form in your workspace, and yes, those heart-fluttering romantic entanglements too. These relationships, in all their varied forms, play a significant role in shaping our experiences, emotions, and overall life journey. So, buckle up and stay tuned as we dive deeper into the definition of a relationship, unravel its complexities, and uncover its profound significance in our lives. So, what is a relationship? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? It's like trying to catch smoke with your bare hands. But let's dive in and try to get a grip on this elusive concept. From a psychological perspective, a relationship is defined as a particular type of connection between two or more entities or phenomena. It's a binding, usually continuous association between individuals wherein one has some influence on feelings or actions of the other. But let's be honest, that sounds like something out of a textbook, doesn't it? So let's break it down to something we can all relate to. A relationship, in essence, refers to the connection or bond between two or more individuals. This bond is typically characterized by emotional, social, or intimate interactions. Now, relationships aren't one size fits all. They come in various shapes and sizes. You've got your romantic partnerships, friendships, familial connections, and professional associations. Each one unique, each one special. What's common across all these forms is mutual understanding, trust, and shared experiences. Relationships are like a two-way street. They provide support, companionship, and a sense of belonging. Yet they require effort, communication, and compromise to maintain and nurture. Think of a relationship as a plant. It needs the right amount of sunlight, water, and care to grow. Too little and it withers away. Too much and it drowns. Striking that balance is key. Each relationship is unique, much like a fingerprint. They're shaped by the individuals involved and the dynamics that develop over time. And just like fingerprints, no two relationships are identical. So, it's not just about defining a relationship, it's also about understanding what it takes to maintain one. It's about learning to dance in the rain and bask in the sunshine. It's about understanding that relationships are not just about taking, but also about giving. It's about realizing that every relationship teaches us something valuable about ourselves and others. So let's keep learning, growing, and connecting. Because at the end of the day, we're all in this together. Relationships are not static. They evolve and change over time. Like a dance, they involve a delicate balance of give and take, leading and following, asserting and yielding. This dance is guided by mutual understanding, trust, and shared experiences. Mutual understanding is the cornerstone of any relationship. It involves acknowledging and respecting each other's perspectives, feelings, and needs. It's about knowing that your partner's experience of the world might be different from yours, and that's okay. Trust, on the other hand, is the glue that holds relationships together. It's the belief that the other person will act with integrity, be reliable, and keep their promises. Trust is earned over time through consistent and dependable actions. It's about being able to rely on each other, knowing that you have each other's backs. Shared experiences are the threads that weave the fabric of a relationship. They are the adventures you embark on, the challenges you overcome, the triumphs you celebrate, and even the mundane moments you share. These experiences create shared memories and stories, strengthening the bond between individuals. Now, maintaining and nurturing a relationship requires effort, communication, and compromise. It's not always smooth sailing. There will be times of misunderstanding, conflict, and disappointment. But these are opportunities for growth. It's about navigating these challenges together, learning from them, and coming out stronger on the other side. Communication is key in this process. It's about expressing your thoughts, feelings, and needs clearly and honestly. It's about active listening, trying to understand the other person's perspective rather than just waiting for your turn to speak. Compromise, meanwhile, is about finding a middle ground. It's not about winning or losing, but about finding a solution that respects and satisfies both parties' needs and wants. Remember, each relationship is unique, shaped by the individuals involved and the dynamics that unfold. The dance might look different from one relationship to another, but the fundamental principles remain the same. It's about mutual understanding, trust, shared experiences, effort, communication, and compromise. It's about dancing together, in sync, creating a harmony that is beautiful, fulfilling, and uniquely yours. Nurturing a relationship is an art. It requires patience, understanding, and effort. Just like a delicate flower, relationships need the right environment to flourish. They thrive on positivity, shared experiences, and genuine care. Each moment of connection, each shared laugh, each act of kindness is a drop of water that helps your relationship bloom. Picture a conversation with a friend or a loved one. The way you lean in when they share a story, the way your eyes light up when they talk about something they're passionate about. These are the moments that strengthen your bond. By sharing experiences, you're not just spending time together, you're creating memories that both of you will cherish. But what if you're the only one making the effort? What if all the energy is flowing from you with little or nothing coming back? That's a sign of a one-sided relationship. It's like trying to clap with one hand, it just doesn't work. You're left feeling drained, unappreciated, and even lonely. Recognizing these signs early can save you a lot of heartache. That's where the concept of red and green flags comes in. Red flags are warning signs that something might be off in your relationship. They could be consistent disregard for your feelings, lack of interest in your life, or even disrespect. On the other hand, green flags are positive signs that indicate a healthy relationship. They could be mutual respect, open communication, or shared interests. So as you navigate the seas of relationships, keep an eye out for these flags. If you see red flags, it might be time to reassess or even step back. And if you see green flags, dive in and enjoy the journey. But remember, a relationship isn't a solo performance. It's a beautiful dance where both partners move in sync, each one contributing to the rhythm and flow. It's about giving and receiving, understanding and being understood, loving and being loved. Always remember, relationships are a two-way street. They require effort from both sides. And that, my friends, is a brief overview of what a relationship is. We've explored its many forms, the dynamics that shape it, and how to nurture it. These insights are crucial in understanding the connections we form every day, be it romantic, familial, or professional. Remember, every relationship is unique, requiring mutual understanding, trust, and shared experiences. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing insights into the nature of relationships. Until next time, take care and keep connecting.